Copy and paste align is a very useful tool in Revit. It helps to make your work easier and faster, and it's very useful when you have a project where the plans are quite identical. Imagine if you are working on a building where the floor plan, let's say the ground floor plan, the first floor plan, and so on and so forth, are almost similar, or they are even similar, having the same features such as doors, windows, and other elements, the walls, positioning, and everything. So you can easily use the copy and paste align to be able to create this floor plan. So I'm going to be, in this tutorial, I'm going to be using this particular floor plan, and I'm going to try and copy most of the elements on this floor plan and take them into the other floor plans, which are quite identical. So if you look at it, if I go to my elevation, this is where the ground floor is, and I'm going to try to take these elements on this ground floor, most of them, and take them to the first floor. So I'm going to open the first floor, and you can see at the moment there are no doors, there are no walls except for the external wall. So I'm going to try and get those elements from the ground floor, copy them, and then paste them align in this particular floor level. So the reason why I'm doing this, because the positioning of those elements is the same thing. So instead of creating them one by one, I'm just going to copy them and then automatically take them to that particular level. So I'm going to select the elements, the windows, the doors that I want to take to that to the first floor. I'm going to select them, including the wall that I want to take there, and okay, I'm going to select the ones that I want, and then once I'm done with my selection, I'm not going to use the conventional copy. I'm going to use the copy to clipboard. So note this: when you are trying to do something like this, you don't use the normal copy, you use the copy to clipboard that is just there. You can see it here, copy to clipboard. That is what you use. It's under the modify. So you go to copy to clipboard. Once you've done that, you can now go to the floor plans where you want to paste them, and then so what you need to do here is to go to the modify menu. This is where the copy to clipboard and then paste align is located. So you can see paste. There are different options here. You can see paste from clipboard and paste, align to selected level, align to current view, just like that. So there are different options here. So I can decide to align it to a selected view, but I'm going to be using the align to current view because I've already opened the view. So you can see the element that I copied to my clipboard have automatically be pasted in the exact position that they are found on the ground floor plan. So the only difference here is that this element now have the first floor plan as the host. It's no longer the ground floor plan. So you can see the elements. So this tool is very helpful if your floor plans, they are very, very similar, and you are modeling and you don't want to waste your time. So you usually use this. You copy. The first thing you do, you copy to clipboard, and then you paste align. Okay, so if you use the first option in the paste, which is just paste from clipboard, you have to drag it into position. it may not be accurate. So that is why you use the paste align to be able to do this. So you can use the align to a certain floor that is selected. So in this part, I don't need to really open the first floor. I just need to select the first floor from that option there. So it still works as the first option. So let me show you what I mean here. If I want to use the copy and then paste align to selected floor, I'm going to select the floor from the dialog box. So if I go to my ground floor and select some elements here and then copy them to clipboard and then go to, I may not even need to go to first floor. All I just need to do is to go to paste. I'll now align them to the selected floor. So you can see it will just automatically take it there. So even though the floor is not open, you can easily use this option too. Yeah, but if the floor is already open, you just align to this the current view. So this is what you do. This is how you can easily paste different elements in your floor plan into another floor plan without much hassle. So that is that for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.